Hello, this is Fighting Irish for Operation Barbarossa. This is a correction for Germany 1940. First off, we're still at 63 IPP with our income of 71. Last turn I made a mistake and I moved wartime economy from stage 2 to stage 3. It actually didn't move. The improved factory was supposed to move to stage 3. I just moved the wrong one. So this turn, they both moved up. So one went to improve stage 4. Wartime economy is at stage 3. So instead of 80 IPP, we take the 9 off that I rolled, and I will end up with 79 for the Germans. Okay. With improved factories, we're going to change our build because that's what our placements, that's what it done anyway. So we'll take off a medium tank and we will place an extra infantry into Paris. We'll take the cavalry from Bavaria to Romania. Since we took the extra tank off, so we only bought 2 tanks, we bought an extra infantry for Paris and an extra cavalry for Warsaw. Okay, that equals out to the same. 1 less tank, 1 extra guy, 1 extra cavalry, and the cavalry went from Bavaria to Romania. Okay. Also, since I missed the American destroyers and I placed my whole sub into C-Zone 24 with this fleet right here, we will move this sub into C-Zone 33, still taking off the 2 damage because it still would have done the same thing in this C-Zone than this C-Zone. And the coastal sub, instead of moving up to C-Zone 22, which has a destroyer and a heavy cruiser, will move down to C-Zone 48, which has a heavy cruiser and a destroyer. It did no damage or no convoying, and the 2 ships missed. So we're trying to keep it almost the exact same. Now, here's a recap of our units. In C-Zone 83, there's 1 sub. C-Zone 108, there's 1 sub. C-Zone, where are we at? C-Zone 48 is a coastal sub. C-Zone 33 is sub. C-Zone, where's it at? 4, another sub. Up here in southern Finland, we have 1 fighter, 1 tactical, 1 medium bomber, and 2 infantry. In Leningrad, there is a paratrooper. In C-Zone 16, we have a damaged battleship, a destroyer, a transport, looks like 2 coastal defense ships, and a light cruiser. In Lebowski, we have 4 infantry, 13 infantry. In Warsaw, there's 2 cavalry. In West Poland, there is 4 light tanks and 1 mech. In East Poland, there is 1 mountain infantry, 1 infantry, and 1 cavalry. In Western Ukraine, there is 1 cavalry and 1 infantry. In Southern Ukraine, there is 1 cavalry. In Transcaucasia, there is 1 paratrooper. In Kars, there's 1 militia. In Antolia, there is 1 artillery, 1 cavalry, and 2 infantry. And in Istanbul, there's 3 infantry. infantry, 1 AA gun, and 1 cavalry. In Eastern Germany, we have 2 Panzer Grenadiers and 2 medium tanks. In Berlin, we have 1 airborne and 1 blue division. In Western Germany, we have 1 air transport, 1 airborne, looks like 3 infantry, 1 fighter, and 1 militia. In Belgium, we have 2 infantry and a cavalry. In Alsace-Lorraine, there's 2 cavalry. In Paris, there is 2 infantry, 1 cavalry, 1 AA gun, 1 militia, 1 fighter, and there's also the Italian infantry. That is my correction video for the sub placement, which I have to pay attention better, and wartime economy and improved factories. This is how it looks. And remember, we're at 71 IPP. Okay, thank you. Bye.